So good afternoon friends. So let us make another video on bullets. Today I'll just showcase you how to define bullets. So let us start. So just insert three paragraphs of 3 lines each, and this is what we have inserted. So let us say you want to apply the bullet over here. So just select the text and then go for the bullet. So by default it will take this option. So there are different bullets that you can apply which are by default in the. So once the bullet has been applied, you can increase or decrease the indent. So basically what is happening, the space from this left hand border is being changed. So here you can increase or decrease the indent. So this is very simple. So depending upon the alignment you can just change the alignment of the text. But now let us say sometimes we want that the bullet should be different, so we need to define different types of bullet. So let us see what are the options. So just go into the bullets and here you have the option of define new bullet. So here let us say the first we need to define a bullet by a symbol. So let us say different types of symbols which are available over here. So you can choose any symbol out of which. Let us say we choose a sign of dollar for this symbol. So I'll just insert OK and just click OK. Now if you see, this bullet has been updated and this dollar symbol has now become a bullet. So this will be added by default to your library. But if let us say you don't want to have this dollar symbol, so you can just define another and then you can have a symbol. Let us say a symbol for bullet we define like this. So depending upon your requirement, you want incline, you want bold, you want no bold this bullet, you can define. So first option is you can have symbols. Now let us see what are the second options. So in second option you can define by font. So font basically means here, if you see, there are different fonts which are available and then these font are coded with a symbol. So this symbol you can insert as a bullet point. Then there is an option if you want to customize this with a picture. Let us say we define a bullet level using a picture option. So there are few templates which are already built in, so you can select from these templates which are already there in your office. So you can select any of these options from where you can add the bullet. So these are different options which are available. Let us say we select any one option from here. Let us say this, you just press OK and you will see there is a colorful bullet which is being highlighted over here. But if you want to have a bullet of your own picture, so there is an option define bullet, go to the picture and there you can import. Let us say this chart I want to use as a bullet. So you can define this pie chart as your bullet. So this is all about the bullets. So thank you.